Astronomy is the scientific study of heavenly or celestial objects and the phenomena that originates outside the Earth's atmosphere. A person who studies the universe is called an astronomer. Several space agencies that are located in different countries of the world deal with science and technology related to air and space. Important space agencies: National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA is an independent agency of the United States of America, responsible for different space programs as well as aeronautics and aerospace research. It was established in 1958. NASA has sent many spacecrafts on space missions such as Ranger, Pioneer, Mariner, Voyager. NASA has sent many spacecrafts on space missions such as Ranger, Pioneer, Mariner, Voyager. These spacecrafts were sent to explore the Moon, Venus, Mars, and other planets that are even further away. NASA also sends artificial satellites into space to gather information about weather conditions and to help the working process of cell phones and televisions. In addition, NASA is known for working on the International Space Station and the Hubble telescope, which were put into the Earth's orbit in 1990. Turn the page. Next. Page number 11. The Hubble Space Telescope is a large telescope in space launched by NASA in 1990. The scientists have learned a lot about space from pictures captured by the Hubble telescope. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It is a space agency of the Government of India, headquarters in the city of Bangalore. The organization was founded by Vikram Sarabhai on August 15, 1969. He was the first chairman of ISRO and also known as the father of Indian space program. He was known as the father of Indian space program. The first satellite developed by ISRO was Aryabhatta, although it was launched by the Soviet Union in the year 1975. Rohini was the first satellite developed and launched by India. There is a difference between Aryabhatta and Rohini. I'll tell you the difference. Next, MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission. The Mars Orbiter Mission MOM, also called Mangalyaan, was launched by ISRO in 2013. It was a space probe orbiting Mars since September 24, 2014. Space debris or space junks are objects orbiting the Earth. According to NASA scientists, there are more than now 9,000 such objects, measuring to about 5,500 tons. They consist of spent rocket motors, needles, and other particles. The junk, the junk can create a risk to commercial and research flights and other space activities. Keywords or key terms. Aeronautics is the science of flying aircrafts. Aeronautics. Okay. Aeronautics is the science of flying aircrafts. Aerospace. Aerospace is a branch of technology and industry which is concerned with operating aircrafts and spacecrafts. Aerospace is a branch of technology and industry which is concerned with operating aircrafts and spacecrafts. Artificial satellite. Artificial satellite is an object which is made and launched into orbit using rockets. Space probe. Space probe is a small spacecraft with no one traveling in it, which is sent into space to make measurements and send back information to scientists on the earth. So this is about the reading part of the lesson, discovering space. Now let us go with the explanation. Yes. So astronomy. Astronomy is the scientific study of heavenly or celestial objects. Heavenly or celestial objects means the objects which are found in the sky, which are found in the universe. So they are called as heavenly or celestial objects. So a person who studies about the universe, the solar system, the planets, everything, he is called as an astronomer. A person who studies about these things is called an astronomer, and the process is called as astronomy, and uh, the spacecraft is called as astronaut. So there are mainly agencies which are working under this astronomy are NASA and ISRO. NASA means it it is a national, okay, it is a National Aeronautics and Space Administration, which is founded by America. It is located in America. It is called as NASA. And coming to ISRO, ISRO is completely related to our Indian Space Research Organization. So these are the two, so many organizations are there, but we are knowing about these two organizations because every country will have its own organization for the this astronomical process. See, Russia is having, Japan is having, yes, different countries, America is having, London is having, Britain is having their own, they have their own aeronautic centers. But we are learning today about NASA and ISRO. NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, NASA. And ISRO, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. NASA, it is one of the independent agencies of America. Yes, it was established in 1956, and NASA has sent so many the space missions called Ranger, Pioneer, Mariner, Voyager. These are all the different types of artificial satellites, we call them. These are the space satellites. They have sent these satellites to know about the information about moon, Venus, Mars, and other some of the other planets which are very far away. So NASA is working on these type of planets. It is in search of the other planets where life can exist. And and coming to our India, ISRO, yes, it was established by Vikram Sarabhai in 1969, and he is called as father of Indian research. He has founded this organization in, yes, in 1969, August 15, after India getting its independence. 1947 we got, no? So 1947, 57 and 67, 20 plus 2, 22 years. So after 22 years of our independence, now this ISRO was established. So and in the starting stages, what they did, they have did the researchers and they have sent their satellites through other countries. For example, the first satellite sent by India is Aryabhatta, but it was not sent through India. It was sent from Russia. It is completely prepared by India, but it was sent through Russia. Then afterwards, Indians also, they had set their own aeronautic center, and they have sent the first satellite Rohini, okay, which was sent by Indians. It was the first satellite which was sent by the Indians, Rohini. Then coming to the next one, that is MOM, 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 Mars Orbiter Mission, is also called Mangalyaan, which is an important mission which was sent to Mars to know about the detailed information of Mars, planet Mars. Okay, planet Mars. So they came to know that on planet Mars also there was life thousands of years ago. there was life on planet Mars. So they have found some what you can see, they have found some information about life was there. They have some water particles they have found. They have found some bones of human beings and bones of some other animals. They came to know, by this conclusion they came to know that there was life on Mars also. But due to some climatical conditions or due to some conditions like pollutions or whatever it may be, unfavorable conditions, due to some unfavorable conditions, the life has become extinct there, and now no more life is there. But they are researching that, is there, it is possible, is it is possible, can we live there? So they are sending slowly. First they want to send the animals. So if the animals survive there, then slowly, yes, human beings also go there. But if the animals does not survive, then it is highly impossible for the human beings also to go into the Mars. So these are the different research they are taking place.